The Madeira Archipelago. This group of oceanic islands stretches for more than 250 kilometers in the Atlantic Ocean and is home to some of the most fascinating wildlife on the planet. From the highest point of Madeira Island, visitors from all around the world travel for an opportunity to explore the most well-preserved Laurisilva forest on our planet. Underwater, the crystal-clear waters of this archipelago hide some of the best wreck dives in Europe, like this one in Porto Santo Island. Madeirense was the first ship to ever be sunk in Portugal to create an artificial reef for scuba divers to visit. It was also on the island of Madeira that Portugal's first marine reserve, created specifically for scuba diving, emerged almost 4 decades ago. The Grajaú Natural Reserve is visited every year by thousands of divers from all over the world. But this unique and seemingly healthy ecosystem is actually out of balance. Algae, the basis of our ocean's coastal ecosystems, are disappearing from the coast of Madeira Island. This kelp forest, located in the remote Garinge seamount, hundreds of kilometers from Madeira, is perhaps one of the healthiest sea forests in Europe. Beside providing much of Earth's oxygen and playing a major role in sequestering CO2 from our atmosphere, algae forests, such as this one, play a vital role in aquatic ecosystems by forming the energy base of the food web for all aquatic organisms. In Madeira Island, decades of coastal development and construction resulted in an increase of sediment discharges that have severely affected the seaweed population of this island. These local stress factors, combined with overfishing and global warming and pollution, have made the population of algae-eating sea urchins overabundant with plague-like effects. Now, a group of researchers is trying to use science to help bring back the blue forests that are essential to a healthy ecosystem, restoring the balance between sea urchins and algae. European Project CLIMAREST is part of Mission Restore, an international initiative that aims to develop ocean restoration projects across Europe. In Madeira, their goal is an ambitious one: to develop an algae production program in the laboratory and help restore the algae population of Madeira Island. It is in this marine organism stress simulator that algae are grown for up to 3 months in ideal conditions, until they are finally ready to be transported to their final destination, an eco-concrete structure that will be placed in strategic points of the Madeira seabed. These odd-looking structures are known as living seawalls, and each of its small orifices will be filled by a small piece of tile containing dozens of small algae ready to thrive and multiply and help bring back a balance to the sea bottom of Madeira Island. Through the CLIMAREST project, the thousands of divers who visit these waters every year become scientists for a day, and the data they bring in after each dive will be crucial to monitor the balance of this habitat. Through a special app developed by the team from MARES, they can share the visual census collected during your dive directly on the project platform in real time. With this project, we not only want to help bring back the leafy algae, the basis of the ecosystem, to the waters of Madeira, but to create a program to be shared and replicated in other places on the planet, and that helps to bring back the balance in the rocky seabeds affected by human impact. After all, from the Antarctic to the Arctic, we are all connected by one ocean. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour about the CLIMAREST project into the bottom of the Sea of Madeira. Please remove your headset.